Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Crookshanks from Harry Potter. So let's get started. To draw Hermione's cat, let's first start by drawing his nose. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a very small little oval. Just to simplify it. Then from there we're going to, let's see here, let's draw a curve over this nose. So right over this oval, I'm going to draw a curve right over it. Then I'm going to bring this down and down on this side, and I'll just stop for now. Then from there, let's come right in the center of this nose, and we're going to come straight down and then curve out. So same thing here, straight down and curve out. Now I'm just stopping here because I want to draw the eyes first before I kind of figure out how long to bring everything down. So let's come to the side of this nose, come right over and say right by here, right next to that curve, I'm going to draw a circle for the eye. So nice big circle. And same thing on the other side. So about right here. There. So my two circles in for the eyes. And let's make them draw so cute eyes, of course. So two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. Okay, so now that we have the eyes in, we need to go above the eye. We're going to draw a curve over it. So right here, we're going to start with a curve. Imagine it's just right over the eye, and it's going to come out right here and then come out a little bit. Just give it a little flick. Just anchor the eye and make it look more cat-like. So then come out, and just like the other side, flick it out a little bit. There. Okay, so then now we can finally finish the mouth. So we want to bring it right underneath the eye. So let's say about right here. Bring it down, nice and wide, say about right here. I'll give it a little curve up, just to make it look a little bit happier. Not so grumpy looking. And up. There. And then this curve, and bring it down a little bit more, just taper it out. There. Okay, so then from there I'm going to go above the eye and I'm going to start to draw some curves. These wrinkles the cat has. Maybe another one here. And here, right above. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and start to draw the face. So let's come to, say, like the center of this eye. Come out nice and wide, say about right here. I'll do the same thing on the other side, about right here. And then from there, I'm going to start to draw a curve that comes out. So just two curves. And so now I know kind of like where I want to put this head, how high I want to go. So say about right here, right above these wrinkles, right in the center, I'll give myself a point about right here. And from there, I'm going to draw a soft curve right over the head, over the face. So about right here. So I'm just trying to create this shape over the head so I can start working on the ears. So now that I have that in, let's go ahead and work on the ears. I'm going to come out, curve, round off the tip, and bring it down about right there. Because I know this curve comes all the way down, so I'll stop about right there. And let's come in here, this tip area, come down, stopping that curve, and we're going to draw some zigzags for some fur, because he's very, very furry, right? And then we're going to bring this down to meet that. There. So same thing over here. So we're just going to drag this point across, approximate about right there, so you know where I'm going. And once again, I'll drag this, and that's only because I'm drawing big, so it's just easier for me to figure out where to go. And once again, same thing, zigzag and connect back. There. Okay, so then now we can finally draw all the fur on his face. So I'm going to bring this out. I'm going to widen it out a little bit. Give it a little curve here, and then I'm going to start to bring it down. A bunch of zigzags. So same thing here. One here. Just back and forth. And I want to aim towards the center about right here. I'll just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. To right there, curve and bring it down, go up, down, and I'm going to curve this so that this connects at a point. There. Hopefully that looks right. Makes him look very furry. Okay, there. Now from there, we can go ahead and draw his body. So it's totally simplified. We're gonna kind of like where his ears are, come down about right here. So same thing over here. So about right here. Try to make it a little bit even here. So, okay. So about right there, I'm gonna go ahead and draw a slight curve and then angle it out. So same thing here, slight curve and then angle out, right there. And then let's come to the center. Let's say about right here and here. And this is, I'm going to draw a curve out. So we're going to start to draw the front legs here. So about right here. We're going to curve out and connect. Then right here, just bring in a curve. So same thing over here. Just make sure it's at the same level, and then once again, same thing. And about right there, curve it out, round it off, and connect. There. And now we have the front paws, and you can come in here and just add 2 curves for some detail. And then let's finish this part off right here. So I'm just gonna, you can add a zigzag if you want, just to make it look extra furry again. And same thing here. There. And then in the center, whatever space you have left, just add a soft curve. And then the tail, the nice big bushy tail. So say about right here, I'll start, come out with a zigzag. And bring it around. And I'll tuck it right into this area. And then for some detail, come about right here. Just draw a curve right there. And I think that is pretty much it here for Crookshanks. Except, let's add a heart right here. Why not, right? So now it's my Draw So Cute Crookshanks from Harry Potter. And that is pretty much it. I really hope I helped you draw this cute cat, Hermione's cat, and that you loved how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.